This dictation material has been obtained from official para 34. The authority may prepare, establish and develop housing and any other schemes, buildings, infrastructure, services, commercial, semi-commercial projects or sites, and for the purpose it may enter into an agreement with any person. Full stop. A housing scheme under subsection 1 shall be approved in the manner prescribed for the preparation of a scheme under this act. Full stop. The authority may at any time modify a scheme prepared under this act by way of change of land use through classification, reclassification or redevelopment in the prescribed manner, and shall publish in the official gazette such modification or change. Full stop. The authority shall make, maintain, amend, manage, enforce and keep in its custody the master plan of the area. Full stop. The authority shall in the prescribed manner exercise land use control and perform housing functions in the area. Full stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law, a person shall be bound to adhere to the master plan rules and regulations for land use control and housing functions as referred to the subsection 1 and 2. Full stop. Para. The authority may appoint such officers, advisors, experts, consultants and employees as it considers necessary for the efficient performance of its functions on such terms and conditions as it may deem fit. Full stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in section 11 or any rules or regulations made or orders or instructions issued thereunder or contained in the terms and conditions of service of any person employed or serving under the authority or an agency. The authority may at any time retire or remove from such service any person after informing him in writing of the grounds on which such action is proposed to be taken and giving him an opportunity of showing cause in writing against the action within a period of 14 days. Full stop. Any person employed by or serving under the authority or an agency charged with the administration of the affairs of the authority or an agency or acting on behalf of the authority or an agency or acting under a contract with the authority or an agency who is responsible for the loss, waste, misappropriation or misapplication of any money or property. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore.